In this short tutorial, I am gonna show you how to refund a game on Steam. Before moving on to the video, don't forget to leave a like. I recommend watching the video once before trying. We can refund any game or DLC we bought on Steam because we don't like it, or because our computer doesn't run it properly, or for other reasons. We will make the refund from Steam. To do this, we open Steam and click Manage Account on the top right. Then click on Account Details. Here, we need to click on View Purchase History under Store and Purchase History. We have a list of purchases we have made on Steam. What we need to do is click on the game or DLC we want to refund. There is something we need to know here. If we have played the game or DLC we want to refund for more than 2 hours, or 14 days have passed since the purchase, our refund request will not be accepted. Under what issue are you having with this purchase section, there are 5 different options. What we need to click, I would like a refund. After that, you may need to select issue. I didn't have to choose. We click I would like to request a refund and continue. As you can see here, Steam reminds us the 14-day rule. Click choose refund method and choose your preferred refund method. If you don't want the money to stay in your Steam wallet, don't select it. As you can see, I only played the wallpaper engine for 47 minutes. You will also see how long you have played the game in this section. You can choose anything you want as reason. The response of our refund request will be sent to our email address. Now you can request a refund by clicking Submit Request. I won't do this because I don't want to refund the wallpaper engine, but you need to click Submit Request to send your refund request. Once your refund request is approved, it can take up to 7 days for your money to be refunded. However, I have refunded a game before, and the money was refunded 2 days after the refund request was approved. This may vary from bank to bank, and depending on the day you make the request. As you know, money transfers does not take place on weekends. We have come to the end of the video. I hope this video was useful for you. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care and see you in the next video.